Hello friends, welcome to our channel Khatri Steno. Subscribe our channel for Steno legal dictations. Be ready for the legal passage at the speed of near about 80 WPM. Start. Creamy layer as a concept can be applied only at the entry level or at appointment and has no application while granting reservations in promotion and allowing for consequential seniority full stop. The Reservation Act, 2018 provides only for consequential seniority and the extent of reservation granted to SCs and STs at the entry level oblique in appointment is not under challenge full stop, even assuming that the concept of creamy layer can be applied at the stage of promotion, it is inapplicable to the conferment of consequential seniority. Full stop. Consequential seniority is not an additional benefit but a consequence of promotion. Full stop. Stanza. The decisions are specifically in the context of Article 254. Full stop. Article 254 within bracket 1 postulates inter alia, that in a matter which is governed by the concurrent list, a law which has been enacted by the legislature of a state shall be void to the extent of its repugnancy with a law enacted by parliament. Full stop. Clause within bracket 2 of Article 254 obviates that consequence where the law has been reserved for the consideration of the President and has received assent. Full stop. Article 254 within bracket 1 is made subject to clause within bracket 2, thereby emphasizing that the assent of the President will cure a repugnancy of the state law with a law enacted by Parliament in a matter falling in the concurrent list. Full stop. It is in this context, that the decisions of this court hold that the assent of the President should be sought in relation to a repugnancy with a specific provision contained in a parliamentary legislation so as to enable due consideration by the President of the ground on which assent has been sought. Full stop. Article 200 contains the source of the constitutional power which is conferred upon the governor to reserve a bill for the consideration of the president. Full stop. Article 254 within bracket 2 is an illustration of the constitutional authority of the governor to reserve a law enacted by the state legislature for consideration of the president in a specified situation where it is repugnant to an existing law or to a parliamentary legislation on a matter falling in the concurrent list. Full stop. The eventuality which is specified in Article 254 within bracket 2 does not exhaust the ambit of the power entrusted to the governor under Article 200 to reserve a bill for the consideration of the president. Full stop. Apart from a repugnancy in matters falling in the concurrent list between state and parliamentary legislation, a governor may have sound constitutional reasons to reserve a bill for the consideration of the president. Full stop. And over. So ये हमारी नियर अबाउट 80 WPM डिक्टेशन थी. अगर आपको डिक्टेशन अच्छी लगी हो तो वीडियो को लाइक कीजिएगा। एंड फॉर मोर पंजाब एंड हरियाणा सबऑर्डिनेट कोर्ट स्टेनोग्राफर डिक्टेशंस, सब्सक्राइब our channel. Thanks to all. Be practice for a better future.